A very good morning, dear students. Hope that all of you are fine and safe. Right, dear students, today we will not be doing study. Right, we will have the activity. Right, so all of you are excited, must be excited. So, what we are going to do right now? Right, so it is related to your class, maths class. So we will require some material like these sheets. You can take any of the sheet, white sheet, or you can take any colorful sheet, and colors. And this, I think, matchbox is easily available at your home, and one glue and scale. Right, so our activity is related to your basics of geometry. So I will tell you in that activity how we can draw different lines, different rays, different angles using matchsticks. Right, so dear students, like we will be starting your activity, that is basics of geometry. Right, so it is activity time. We will be doing activity related to basics of geometry. So some concepts I had explained you in last class related to that using matchsticks. We will perform here how you have to draw different things using matchsticks. So first of all, dear students, point is there. Right, point you can draw like this. I have drawn one dot, that point, and I have named it as O. Second is line. How you can draw line using different matchsticks. What I have done, I have broken one matchstick into two parts. Right, so I have taken two parts of matchsticks. So I will be drawing a line here using matchsticks. How you have to keep like this. All of you are seeing that this is in the shape of line. So I will use one glue stick here to paste it in your activity page like this, dear students. So in this way I have drawn one line using matchstick. Right, dear students, next is parallel lines. All of you know that what are parallel lines. So I will draw here using matchstick what is parallel line. Like this I will draw. So these are parallel lines. Right, dear students. So in the same way, like in point number 2, I have pasted. So you have to paste here and you have to make lines parallel using matchsticks. Right, dear students. So like you have paste using a glue stick like parallel lines. All of you are seeing that these lines are parallel. Yes. Next, dear students, now we have to make intersecting line using matchsticks. So first of all, you can draw parallel lines like we have made, and after that one line that will intersect both parallel lines you have to draw like this. So first of all, you have to paste these lines. Dear students, paste it very carefully. Like this, you have to make intersecting lines. Right? So dear students, I have pasted. So these are intersecting lines. Right? Now we will come to angle. How to make an angle using matchstick like this. So you are seeing this is shape of an angle, right? Now we will paste. So I have pasted to make the shape figure of angle, right? Next is, dear students, acute angle. Means the angle, all of you know that, which is less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. So here I will draw acute angle picture with the help of matchstick. So here I have drawn the shape of acute angle using matchstick. Now I will be, next point is right angle. So all of you know that right angle is of 90 degree. So I will paste it to draw the shape of right angle, that is 90 degree, like this using matchsticks, and I will paste with the glue. So in this way I have pasted matchsticks on a sheet to draw right angle. Now there is obtuse angle. All of you know that what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is that which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Like this you have to paste. So dear students, so in this way you have to paste and you have to draw the shape of obtuse angle using matchstick. So this is obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. Straight angle is what? An angle which measures exactly 180 degree, that is straight angle, like this, right? So it will be straight angle. Next is straight angle. So in this way you have to paste matchsticks like this to draw the shape of straight angle, right dear student? Next is reflex angle. All of you know that reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So in this way you have to shape, means it is more than 180 but less than 360. So next is reflex angle which is more than 180 degree. So I have pasted matchsticks like this to draw the shape of reflex angle, right? So now dear students, after that we will be naming these angles or these lines. So dear students, now we will be giving names to these lines, parallel lines, like you can say that is A, B, and after that parallel lines are there, X, Y, O, T, any name you can give. Intersecting lines A, B, C, D, and here E and F. Next is angle. So you can give name angle A, B, C, like this it will be shape of angle. Acute angle, that is X, Y and Z. After that right angle P, Q, R, right angle. Obtuse angle A, B, C, obtuse angle, right? Next is straight angle. So here you have to draw like this 180 degree, right? So here it is AOB. And reflex angle, more than 180 degree. So here you can say PQR. So we have discussed point, line, parallel lines, intersecting lines, angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. Now dear students, you have to try this at home and draw like this and use matchsticks, and you have to make this activity at home. Thank you. God bless you.